So I'm excited to go skiing. We've got about 30 minutes and the taxi's coming to pick us up. I hope we can fit all our stuff in the cab, otherwise we're in trouble. Okay, here we go. Hey, you guys ready?
No.
Oh, what did you put in your bag? Where are we going?
Deepa.
What's up, kids? We're leaving the airport right now.
2 more hours.
What are you gonna do today, buddy?
Ski.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Madison. Go past her, Maddie. Kids are at ski school. I've been skiing. Emily's at the spa. Time for beer and a lunch. Can't go wrong with that. kids. You had fun? Good. Give me 5.
He said everything was fun except when he fell.
Except when he fell. Well,
But he only
everybody
fell like
falls.
3 times.
That's it?
A few times.
A few times? That sounds like you did pretty good.
He was
Give me
down
5.
in the afternoon.
Yeah. I don't know. Do you want to go again?
Yeah.
Yeah? Really? Did you have that much fun? Ski school was okay? They were nice? I told you. Tell me about your ski school.
It was okay.
What happened? What runs did you do?
We literally went down this one area.
One area,
the
that's
entire
it.
time.
That's no good. Cross country, here we go. Hey buddy, how is it going? Is this fun? You guys ready to go to the pool?
I'm getting my eyeball! I'm gonna freeze them before I actually get in
Are you ready for the pool?
there. No. I'm scared. I'm scared I'm gonna get really cold. I'm trying to get into.
Go.
I think it's crazy that I'm in a pool with snow on the ground.
Burr.
I wonder what the temperature is.
29 degrees and we're in the pool.
I don't know where you are.
Freezing.
Burr.
Hello.
Are you ready to go skiing together? Say, what did we just do?
Go down the whole mountain. The entire mountain.
We skied the entire mountain?
Yeah.
From the top to the bottom?
Yeah. I am amazed and worn out at the same time.
Me too.
Me 3.
Oh my goodness. How many times did you fall?
I can't remember. At least 15 times.
Yeah, Maddie did awesome. Boo did awesome too.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Here are you. Well.
Where do you want to ski? What slopes? Blues or greens?
Because I want to ski the green side more by my coffee shop, so then blue, so then.
Yeah. We're up here, we're gonna go down here, Simba, to Post Road, and then we're gonna get on the lift and take it down to our hotel. We made it. Did you have fun? Was that awesome? Yeah? Yeah, look at this. We are going straight down the mountain.
I'm so scared.
Did you have fun in Vail?
Yeah. There's actually a big sculpture that's made out of ice. The whole thing's made out of ice.
It is?
Yeah. See?
Natty.
It's cracking.
Amazing. This is the best birthday ever. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram.